Wow.
Our favorite snack is 1, 2, 3. Lagay dito. Wow, nakapatas pa!
Aray ko.
Guys, nag-aibi na siya kasi...
1, 2, 3, go. Pwede mo!
Hi guys! 10th anniversary namin ngayon! Tapos, ngayong 10th anniversary namin, naisipan namin mag-exchange gift. Let's go! I'm so excited! First category is favorite snack.
Wow.
Our favorite snack is 1, 2, 3. Lagay dito. Wow, nakapatas pa! Dapat na lang ng mutos!
Eh, Pasko mo yan eh. December eh.
So, paano ko mapaili? Mag-open pa ako.
Pwede i-open mo na. Wow, finger. Gusto ko
Wow!
mag-
Dami ah. Wait lang yung
Favorite
letter.
snack kami pag nag-travel.
1, 2, 1! Favorite drink! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tara!
Ay, ako. Gusto ko yan.
So, I got Pocari Sweat. Pocari, baka naman. Something soft and something in your favorite colors. Wala, makasupog man ining gift ko. Wala kang something soft na. Wala kang something soft na.
Meron?
1, 2, 3, go. Guys! Alam mo yan! Alam na yung
Deserve,
una to
deserve mo nga yan. Aray ko.
Guys, nag-aibi na siya kasi towel lang yung something
Hindi.
soft and right ko. Kung natutulog ka sa desk. Thank you, V. Okay, next. Something that reminds me of you. Go!
Ay!
Parehas.
Sa camera. Pailing mo na sa kaya.
Grabe ka naman. Something sweet. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh! Yan.
Something kilig pala. Something kilig. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow. Bata din ako nagkakape.
Kapi ka. All I need is you. Wow. Something mabango.
What?
1, 2, 3, go. Wow! What's this? Sabon?
Wait lang. Oh, shampoo.
Andwa.
Hand wash.
Wow! What's this? Sanitizer gel. Yay! Next is something cute. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow. Ay.
Play mo na lang.
Something we can share.
Ano
2,
ibigay?
3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Pwede mo. Pwede guys.
Tama ko, guys. It's a Bible.
Pakain no?
So, kayo na ang humusga, guys. Paano to paghaluin? So, something special na tayo, guys. 1, 2, 3. Tada! Bakit?
Bag. Thank you.
Kasi alam mo na na wag yun eh.
Hey guys, may bago akong bag.
Tcharan! Wow! What's this? Lakat ang dami mong special gift. Red. Thank you, B. Alugulo na. B, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, B. Bye-bye guys.